Hi, I'm Karin Freiberg from Shasta College, instructional paraprofessional here in the Welding and Industrial Technology departments. I supervise the worksite learning program as well as student workers, CalWorks workers. I have up to 18 students at a time, and what we do is basically we work on projects like this. We're building some new oxyacetylene booths for the new building that we've got here. When I started here at Shasta College, I went through this program myself. There were about 15% women. Right now we've got up to about 20%. So we've got more and more women coming in and going through this program. And I personally like to be an inspiration to women in this program as well. It's a lot of fun to work on a project that's big, taking it from concept, where it's nothing, all the way through completion, and having the pride in being able to do that, and then working together with the students to complete a job that is useful and something that is needed and it's going to be used for years down the road. My name is Karin Freiberg. I'm an instructional paraprofessional here at Shasta College. I hope you guys come down and take some classes with us.